Welcome to Bohol, a tropical paradise in the Philippines known for its stunning beaches, the iconic chocolate hills, and vibrant marine life. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey from this beautiful island to the bustling cities of South Korea. Our adventure begins at Bohol Panglao International Airport. Make sure you have your passport, flight ticket, and any necessary travel documents ready. For most travelers, a Korean Electronic Travel Authorization, or KETA, is required. Apply for it online at least 72 hours before your flight. After a quick check-in and security screening, it's time to board our flight. The journey from Bohol to South Korea typically involves a layover, often in Manila or Cebu. From there, we'll catch a direct flight to Incheon International Airport, the gateway to South Korea. But in my case, I board a direct flight from Bohol to South Korea on Jeju Air. Welcome to South Korea. Incheon International Airport is one of the best-rated airports in the world, known for its efficiency and amenities. After clearing immigration and customs, you can easily access the city via the Airport Railroad Express, ARX, or buses. Our first stop is Seoul, the vibrant capital of South Korea. From the historic Gyeongbokgung Palace to the bustling streets of Myeongdong, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to try some delicious Korean street food like tteokbokki and hotteokki. Getting around South Korea is a breeze thanks to its extensive public transportation system. A T-Money card is your best friend here, allowing you to use buses, subways, and even taxis with ease. Immerse yourself in Korean culture by visiting traditional Hanok villages, enjoying a relaxing day at a Jjimjilbang Korean spa, or attending a K-pop concert. South Korea offers a unique blend of ancient traditions and modern attractions. Don't miss the natural beauty of South Korea. From the serene temples of Gyeongju to the picturesque landscapes of Jeju Island, there's plenty to explore beyond the cities. As our journey comes to an end, we reflect on the incredible experiences we've had traveling from the tropical paradise of Bohol to the dynamic and diverse landscapes of South Korea. Whether you're seeking adventure, culture, or relaxation, this trip offers it all. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Until next time, happy travels.